Uncover the meaning. Understanding, uncover. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the word, uncover, to help you understand its meaning and how you can use it in different contexts. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video is tailored for you. So, let's get started. Uncover is a verb that can be broken down into two parts. Un, meaning not or opposite of, and cover, which means to hide or protect something. So, when you put them together, uncover means to reveal or expose something that was hidden or covered up. Let's go through some examples to see how uncover is used in sentences. 1. The archaeologist worked meticulously to uncover the ancient ruins. 2. During the investigation, the detective was able to uncover vital evidence. 3. You need to uncover the grill before you start cooking. In these sentences, uncover is used to mean revealing something hidden. Knowing synonyms and antonyms can help expand your vocabulary and enhance your understanding. Synonyms: reveal, to make something visible. Expose, to show something that is usually hidden. Disclose, to make something known. Antonyms: cover, to place something over or upon another thing. Hide, to put something where it cannot be seen or found. Conceal, to keep something secret or prevent it from being seen or known. Uncover can also be found in phrasal verbs and idioms, adding a unique flavor to your English expression. Phrasal verbs: uncover the truth, to find out the real facts about something. Idioms: leave no stone unturned, to look everywhere for something, or to try everything possible in order to find a solution to a problem. That's it for today's video on uncover. We hope this has helped clarify the meaning and use of this word, giving you the confidence to use it in your daily conversations and writing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.